In this video, we will see how to fix error invalid parameter 87 code on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error having error code 87, the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Choose device manager, choose device manager, and here go to the display adapter section, expand it and right click on your display adapter and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process. After that, check whether your error code 87 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD in search box and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, first execute these three DISM tool as shown on a screen: DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time: scan health, check health, and restore health, followed by enter key on each time. Thereafter, execute sfc scan now command in command prompt Windows, sfc space / scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files. It will not only find out, repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% completion of verification. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch run dialog box by pressing Win+R shortcut key, or simply right click on a start button and choose run. Here type appwiz.cpl. It will open program and feature windows in control panel. Open it and here look for any problematic app having issues, having error received. Simply uninstall it, select it and choose uninstall. All the problematic apps, select it and choose uninstall and install a fresh version of that app in your system. The next workaround is again open run dialog box, right click on a start button and choose run, and here type RSTRUI in search field. Click on OK. It will open system restore windows, restore system files and settings. Click on next. Here choose a restore point. Choose show more option also. Make the check against option show more restore points and choose a system restore point from which your computer was in a good condition and click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point. It will restore your system before the event selected. Click on finish, and after that don't forget to restart your system. Your error will definitely be resolved. That's all.